Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create Douyin account in 2023. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your web browser since you cannot find this application in Play Store or App Store. So just go to your Google, okay, and then search for Douyin. Okay, and then you would be able to see this first website. So just click on it to download the file and then install the application. So right after downloading the file and installing the application, you will then just have to open the app. Okay, so just go back to your home page and then click on this one and then type out your phone number in here. Okay, and then click on this red box at the bottom and then mark this one as checked and then select this red one. Then right after that, your account will be created. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.